Sama ka dito sa akin. Dito ka.
We don't have live. Yun sila lang naman. Nah, that's not okay.
Sumama ka.
Hey.
Thank you. It's okay, don't need flash.
I need flash bro.
I should mute this now.
Ayan.
I think that's your
Thank you
live.
for joining our live, guys.
Hello, 7 Horizons. Yes, sir.
Yes, let's go.
What you mean?
How do you
So,
put
we're just hanging out, kaming apat. So, for the new people, feel ko marami ng bago.
I feel like that's a lot,
Cairo, and then Egypt, and Kofi. Let's go, bro. Egypt. Ano yan, bro?
Guys, check yung
Mga IG namin, TikToks namin. We should record TikToks mamaya after the
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Actually, shit to watch.
Yeah, we're gonna try to record TikToks on all accounts. So check all our accounts.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah.
Spicy?
Spicy? Question mark? Yeah. My cousin, bro. My cousin.
You guys remember Tofi? Let's go.
Echo daw.
Oh, my bad.
Wait, siguro mag-mute yung... Okay.
Narinig niyo ba kami?
Rinig niyo ba sila, guys? Kahit ganyan?
Horizon Cairo. Na.
Horizon Cairo, yeah, bro.
Well, no.
Guys, we're in different accounts pero magkasamat kami lahat. So amazing, bro. Oh.
Oh yeah. Wait out talaga?
Abangan ko Summer Blast 2026. Wow.
Sana kasama na tayo dun,
Yeah,
no?
sana Cloud 7, X Horizon, bro.
That's true. Tung.
Guys, check my TikTok. Ilang views na ba yun, guys? Ngayon, hindi ko pa na-check.
No?
Hello sa mga bagong join.
C7 Marcos.
C7 mo, yeah. Pwede din.
That's why.
Pwede C7.
4M daw. 4.2.
4.2 na ngayon? Yung TikTok ko na brain rot.
Umabot na 4.2M.
It was just brain rot.
What did brain rot?
Me.
Tung sahur.
Like the brr patapir, like that thing, bro.
Tralala.
That's so crazy. How was your day? Yeah, we spent the day together actually, kaming apat. Kumain kami sa TGIF. Yeah.
Dapat kasi, like, we're gonna hang out with someone.
And then, na-change plans.
Bro, change plans.
Yeah.
And this is good, bro.
Yeah. Tough pa din.
Thanking you higher, we are
Nakita ko yung ano, dinadala ka sa lupa. Ano yan?
Dinadala ka sa ulap.
Sa ulap pala.
Bro,
Lupa? What's lupa?
Tagalog version.
Ulap pala. Dinadala ka sa ulap. Kami ang cloud.
ulap.
Itong ulap. Bro, what's happening sa kanila?
Oo bro, di natin sila naririnig eh. Di rin sila naririnig doon kasi wala silang mic. Okay. Buti na lang, anong ginawa
Ano
nyo?
na naman yan?
Oh. 2 times. Oh my God. Okay lang. At
TJ na.
Oh guys, magka-call kami pero...
Yeah, magka-call kami pero magkatapat kami. They're just like right there.
Point it out.
That's what's going on.
Thank you. Sabi niya, enjoy the night guys.
Thank you. We are enjoying the night.
Diba? Cloud 7X Horizon.
Yeah, tough, diba?
With Tofi.
Ex-Tofi, bro.
I'm the non-showbiz friend.
Nah.
He's like... He's a...
Yeah, bro, he's an influencer, bro. By the way, thank you to yung sa nag-sponsor sa amin,
Mr.
TGIF.
We're not allowed to say that.
We're not allowed to say that?
We're not branded.
Yeah, that's a brand, man. You really have a death wish, bro.
Hey, I'm just trying to be nice.
No, bro, we're just-
But you don't have to say the
Brands.
Thank you sa nag-sponsor sa amin for dinner. Yeah.
Thank you na lang.
Thank you. Nala na doble yung glasses mo. Yan.
Sa'yo na lang, sa'yo na
Akin na
lang.
lang yung glasses.
How do you have that?
No, bro.
It's already nice, man. Don't wait. What's your opinion?
Saan si Jero? Ba't Jero? Jero ba? Dapat to Jero talaga.
Giro yan, Giro.
J.I.?
Yeah, J.I.
Toughness. Sayawin mo daw yung taran.
Guys, Magic Sir
No,
Waking.
like this one.
Paano ba yun?
Magic.
Waking up, come and bring me up. Nasa malayo sa musika. Let's go! Pero guys, ako, na-aral ko na yung tayo na't bumili. Ay,
Wait, what's the story? Sorry. Score mo.
tayo na't gumiling-giling. Pagising. Tayo na't gumiling-giling.
Do it. Bro, pati louder, di ba?
Tsaka louder, bro. Guys, tiniktok namin yun. Nakita nyo ba yung behind the scenes namin? Pinost ni Tita, di ba?
Guys, yung mga umatenda ng mga shows namin, alam nyo, sinasayaw ko dati 16, dude.
Yes! Tapos nakita ko din yun during ginagawa niya.
Bro, ngayon,
Oh, wait, lang.
toughness.
Softness.
That's
Okay lang. Sunod na lang. Bakit?
fan service, bro.
Fan service?
We're gonna do something.
Pero mag-join ulit kayo.
Yung fan service, what do you mean?
Parang yung nire-request ata kay Tofi.
This one.
What TikTok?
Like fan service, like for example, your fans. They're like asking me.
Huwag mo gamitin yun sa akin.
Gagamitin ko ito.
Okay.
Kamusta, Marco?
Another question.
Ballerina Cappuccina. Yes.
Boys, it's this one.
Ano pa ba, pre? Tralalelo,
Tralala. Chimpanzini Banani.
Video game.
Ano ba? Pre, ay guys, magano nga kayo ng mga brain rot Italian words, bro? Babasahin namin. Dali. Tung Marcos.
Tung Marcos, yes. Tough yan.
We're gonna do mine first.
Tralalelo, tropa lang?
Oh,
Wag naman sana.
yeah. Ano yan? Ballerina.
No, alam mo yung ano?
Man, it looks so Korean as fuck.
Wag naman sana, no?
Ano nag-call tayo? Yes,
Normal now.
Labis na naiinip.
Nayayaw mo sa bawat saglit.
Ano ba? Ano yun? Ano yung part niya, ano bro? Kapag naalala ka, wala naman.
You have a drink, man.
Umuwi ka na, baby.
Ikaw na lang mag-live.
Okay, ako muna magla-live, guys. Kasi iniwan nila ako. They're gonna go get a drink. Get our drinks. Pero yun. Kamusta? I hope you guys are doing well. There they are.
No, it's some high school kasi, bro. Orders.
Does anyone have a power bank?
This is like,
Do you have a power bank?
I do, bro.
Nice. Okay, later. Can I borrow later, bro? Sige.
What's your drink, Marcus? This one, diba?
Yeah,
Did you
that's
take a
my
picture
drink.
of it?
Less. Okay, bawal.
Ay, bawal. Ay,
oh, brand again.
oh, another brand, bro.
Just cover it,
I
bro.
feel like
Yeah,
someone's
yeah,
calling me.
Wait lang.
I
What?
feel like we know who that is. Exactly.
What will I say?
So we're like, ano na tayo, guys?
What will I say? What will I say?
Wait lang, Papa.
Wait lang.
Ano,
Naka-live.
nagti-TikTok po.
Nagti-TikTok.
The Starbucks.
Yes, guys. Sana hindi nanonood si Tito ngayon.
Okay, wait.
Saan tayo dadaan? Tayo.
I saw Gentleman, sir.
Ay, no, wait. Ano na lang?
Ay, daw, nag-vote na pala tayo, bro.
Wolfgang.
Nandito mo sa Starbucks ngayon. Nag-detect
Siya si Kyler. Guys, bakit ako dalawa-dalawa yung salamin?
Sige. Okay.
Eh.
Opo, manonood ako sa Viva Cafe sa 3. Paano yung tatayo?
Yun nga eh.
Bro, try mo nga going upside down. It's gonna be weird.
Guys, okay lang ba pag ganyan yung live?
Pero hindi natin mabasa yung comment.
Yun nga eh. Wait. Let me figure something out. I do my comments.
Grabe. Parang siya nagbo-block blast, no?
No!
Gumagawa siya ngayon sa ano. Okay, phone ko.
Okay, sige, sige. Wait lang.
Kailangan natin mas big, bro.
Tough.
Yun!
Oh! Doing it. Guys, kaninong account yun? Kaninong account? Your, okay guys. Get ready.
Kami game 1,
Sige,
2,
sige.
3.
It's okay.
Really ba?
It's funny, yeah. Yo, toughness, bro. Someone gumawa na kayo ng edit.
Sino James?
James, he's my number one editor right now.
Oh, tough James.
Like when I say number one, I mean like super frequent niya gumawa ng edits, bro. And like, yeah, mga tough edits yan. Like every day, bro, may bagong edit.
Wait, sino muna to? Sino to? Bro, who's Inigo?
Kaya nga, bakit Inigo yung nakalagay? Fake name? Fake name?
You don't do that.
Wait, nasan yung... Wala bang straw? Walang straw?
I have straw. Wait.
Guys, nakulangan ng isang straw.
No, it's like naipit siguro kasi it's like mataas. I know. Wait, what?
Wait,
Ako na.
Sige, bro. Thank you, bro. Narinig niyo ba yun, guys? Ginagawa nila yung trend. Okay lang ba yung ano? Yung audio? Rinig naman ba ako? Am I heard right now? Is the audio fine?
It's good though.
Kai, thank you. You're the best.
Thanks, man. Bro, may nabangga akong tao doon. Ano like, pagtingin sa akin, galit siya. Pero nakita niya ako na sorry ako. Ngumiti na rin sa akin.
Di kasi sobrang charming mo daw.
Dude, like,
Sobrang pogi ni
siguro
Kai.
ano, sabi nila, ay, buti nag-sorry to. Kung di na nag-sorry, bro, he's dead. Kasi sabi ko,
Sabi niya, hala, ang pogi naman pala ng bumungga sa akin. Never
Ang
mind.
glasses ko, dalawa.
Ayan.
Bigyan story, no?
Yeah, pwede yun.
Pwede yun, stories kasi kahit hindi madala.
Yeah.
Parang kumain lang.
Yeah, pwede.
Gago. Basta just don't mention anything.
No, but like location.
Location, pwede?
Okay.
Ah, sige.
Sige.
Who's gonna stop us, dude?
Who's gonna stop me?
No, you ruined the blockbuster.
Okay lang i-jet.
Okay, uwi na tayo maya-maya.
Kaya sorry.
Hindi pa tayo nagtitiktok.
Kaya nga, tol. Gusto mo ba?
Wait, anong oras, guys? We're gonna end the live in like 1 minute kasi we have to take TikToks. BBB house guest Marcos. Yes, guys, soon.
Alam niyo ba yung mga drinks nila dun sa PBB? Tinitikman na namin eh.
Yeah, real.
Yeah, bro, tinitikman. Ready na kami.
Yeah.
So, PBB,
Oh, that's good though. That's good.
kung kailangan nyo ng extra housemates. Ay, si
Kuya.
Roxanne! Andin si
Ay,
Roxanne.
Roxanne, hello, Roxanne.
Thanks, guys. So, kung gusto nyo guys na PBB kung kailangan nyo ng dalawa,
Hello po, kuya.
Kuya,
Ano po,
so,
kuya?
sorry kuya kung natulog ako sa CR. Hindi na kuya.
Oh my God. Wala si Lucas, guys. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Sino kasama nyo? I'm with Cairo, pero also with Egypt and Tofi. Go check them out sa TikTok, sa everywhere.
Oh, yung brand. What brand?
Nakita ba yung brand? Feel ko habang I was taking a sip, nakita.
I'm looking for the video, bro.
My bad, guys.
Tough.
Kailan ulit yung mga vlogs? I'm trying to make more vlogs. Sa future, pagka nagka-sked kami ulit.
I will make more vlogs. Para you can parang a day in the life na ganun of being Horizon, ganun guys, so that you can experience it on your own, diba?
Bro, what's the title of this song? No, I don't have tunes, bro.
This one?
No, this one. Let's do this.
Pogi naman ni Kai, grabe.
Bro, diba? Tough nga si Franz din.
Price tag.
Yes,
Bro,
it's good, bro.
alam mo yung TikTok na, ano yung, okay, tayo gagawa, Marcos.
Sige,
Okay, bro.
Let's do it.
Hindi mo pa nga alam eh, pero let's do it na, gago.
Siyempre, para sa'yo bro.
Okay.
Basta ikaw. Nandito ba sila?
There's a TikTok, bro. What? Naka-off ba, bro?
You guys have to wait for me to talk.
Oh,
Also, it's gonna be home.
Galing nyo ng Summer Blast. Thank you guys.
ito, yun na, need you.
Okay. Okay, sige. Okay, sige.
Behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes kasi magti-TikTok kami.
Wait lang, I can't hear it, bro.
Can I see myself muna? Baka... Okay lang
Do you
naman.
want any...
Hindi, okay na yan.
Bro, kamali ako.
Wait, nag-start tayo.
Nang ano?
Content.
Yeah,
Do you want to
nagti-TikTok kami
sit
right
here,
now.
bro? Do you know yung TikTok na, and I love you, and I miss
Yun ang
you.
gagawin. Ganun mo lang sa akin.
Ayun nga, okay.
Tayo ba?
Natatawa siya eh.
Ganun tayo.
Okay, sige, go. Isa pa.
I look bad eh.
No, you don't,
Look
bro.
good.
Pogi mo nga eh.
Cheers.
Ang cringe ko.
No, ay. Sige. Dito natin nilalagay.
Sa atin na lang.
Yes! Tough.
Ganun siya.
Bro, cringe. Puro mukha ko nakakaya. I don't like, bro. Sorry, guys.
No, it's cringe.
I like it.
You like everything.
I like it. Yeah, I like
Oh, bro, it's so cringe, bro. Pero like, it's fun kasi. Like,
Pero guys, we have to go na kasi we're gonna take more TikToks.
what if gawin mo sa'yo and I'll do it
Yes.
with Marcos, do it with
No, bro. Like, what's your name?
Yeah.
Bro,
Why?
ito, wala naman, nakikita niyo ba yun?
What's your name?
So, okay.
Nice. Okay guys, we're gonna end na talaga kasi we're gonna take more TikToks, okay? So yeah guys, thank you.
Where I want that song.
Diba? I just it, bro.
Bye.
Kasi it's
Love
funny.
you guys.
What is it?
We're just gonna take TikToks. Kaya hintayin mo na lang yung mga TikToks namin guys.
Kasi ang funny din naman
Tofi,
niya, bro.
Egypt, Cairo, Marcos, kami na apat. We're gonna take TikToks. So check nyo yung account namin guys. So yeah. Okay. Bye guys. You guys wanna say bye? Bye.
Pasensya, bro.
Let's go.